Hello, my beautiful YouTube family, y'all. Ice Cream Beauty for the month of April is in. Y'all want to see what I got and watch me do this look with the palette that's in here? You know. Hello there, my beautiful YouTube family. Yes, your girl is back, and she is back with Ice Cream Beauty. The April Beauty Box is in. What have we got in here? The card is super cute, you guys. It says, "You're blooming." So cute. So, you guys, we're just going to get into it. I'm actually going to do a look for you today. Your girl needs to put on some makeup. I have missed wearing makeup, so we're just going to do it. So, what do we have here? Okay, I will let you know that the box is valued over $120. Very happy about that. First thing we have here is Be a Bombshell. And this is in the shade A Big Teal. You guys, what this is an eyeshadow base for if you want to do bright, vibrant looks. Should have got my tweezers out. I'm going to mess up my beautiful nails I just did. Now, Ice Cream Beauty is $25 a month. They've had some problems with shipping delays and some problems with some products. And I don't know, they'll get all the kinks worked out. So here is our Be a Bombshell in Big Teal, the eyeshadow base. And you guys, I don't want to swatch this. The reason why I don't want to swatch it is because oh, he's getting all over my nails. So what I will do, though, is I'll use a sponge. Haha, I tricked you. Okay, if I can get the sponge out of the container. They're almost completely dry. Yeah, I just fudged up that one. Alright, so what we'll do here is we'll do a swatch because I won't be using this today. Let's just see how pigmented it is. She's quite pigmented. You can build her up. It dries down. So all it is really is just a color base for you to use eyeshadows on. Very simple, easy to use, like a cream eyeshadow stick, but it's to enhance eyeshadows. You could use this alone also, if you would like. So let's put that aside. The value on the Be a Bombshell teal colored base stuff is what? $14 for that. All right. This next one I won't even be opening, you guys. I don't use a lot of powders on my face. I actually hate banana powder. It's got this yellow hue to it, and it's not good for olive skin tone. My olive skin tone anyways. So this is by, I believe it said Bella Pierre. Yeah, Bella Pierre. And it is a banana setting powder. This is valued at $30. This little thing, $30. Banana setting powder. Okay, let's move on. This next thing we have is from Galactica. I already have it because I just got it in Macy's Beauty Box. Here's the new one from Ice Cream, and this is valued at $20. It's a lip gloss that has little rose petals inside of it. Very cute. They do not come off on the dofa, which I was really worried about when I opened this from Macy's. Here's our dofa. You can see that I've used it. And we're just going to pop that right back in there. And I'm actually going to put this one in one of the giveaways. This, again, is valued at $20, you guys. Next thing we have is from Mirabella. I've actually gotten very excited about Mirabella, you guys. They sent me some PR. It's over there. I'll be going through it pretty soon with you guys. This is their eyeliner stamp. Y'all know how I love stamped liners because they're so easy to use. This here is valued at $20. Yes, I will be using this with you today. So just like any other eyeliner stamp, it has the corner that you just pop on your eye. But weird thing is, this would be for the left eye. Ah, and you slip it like, no? Ah, you turn it. And you have to turn it to do It's not like the previous ones we've had that has one for the left eye and one for the right eye. You just flip it and you can do both eyes. So we're going to see what the stamp looks like to make sure it works well. It was brand new. Still had cellophane on it. There's our stamp. And then on this eye, or this side, is your liner. You connect it all together. And I'll show you guys how thin or thick you can go. There you go. Thin line and thick line with it. Waterproof, smudge-proof, stay all day wear from Mirabella, you guys. Again, the value on that is $20, and I will be using it again today. Even though y'all have seen me use eyeliner stamps in the past and done my reviews on them, and I love them so very, very much. Next thing we have, guys, is our palette. That is one good thing about Ice Cream Beauty is you always receive a palette. This one is from Ace Beauty, and I do not have this one. Quintessential palette. Gorgeous packaging. Very pretty. The value on this is $40. Wow. I don't think my other Ace Beauty palettes were that much. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? And then here's our shades. So pretty. Yes, this is the palette I will be using today, my friends. So excited about it. Ace Beauty is a really good brand. Excited to use the Mirabella Eyeliner Stamp. The Galactic Gloss, y'all just seen it. I just done a review on it on a previous Macy's video. Banana Powder from Bella Pierre, won't be using that. And then the, what was the name on this crazy? Be a Bombshell Eye Base. The nice teal there. Let's see if this here is actually dried down yet. Yeah, it's completely dry now. So you can build these up to your desired pigment that you want on them. I just don't normally use them because if you just lay down a concealer and eyeshadow on top, it's the same thing. But you do use a lot less eyeshadow if you have a colored base to use also. So the value on this was 20, 40, 80, 100, and let's say 114. 20, 40, 70, 110, 124. $124 value, guys, for $25. Now, $25 a month, Ice Cream Beauty, yes, they're a young beauty subscription box, and they are working out their kinks, you guys. They are. They're trying hard. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try out this Ace Beauty palette, and we're going to use our eyeliner stamp from Mirabella Beauty Cosmetics. And then later on down the road, I'll be doing my review on all the PR that they sent me. And they also sent me some from Pure Cosmetics too. So I'm really excited about that. All right, guys, let's dip into this palette by Ace Beauty, the Quintessential palette. And for those that don't like to stick around to see the eye look, I'll see you later. For those that do, it's coming right up, you guys. is the finished look. I threw on my Crown Lip Velour lipstick that we actually got in Ice Cream Beauty quite a while back. I actually really, really love this, you guys. Still do. Dries down quick, doesn't transfer. Love it, love it, love it. I did not put on the gloss because it would remove the lipstick. So it's just a clear gloss, you guys. It does kind of smell kind of rosy, but it does fade away very quickly. As far as the Ace Beauty Quintessential Palette, I need to use a different eye primer with it because the one I used did not work well with it at all, you guys. As you've seen, it was very hard for me to build the shadows up and then to blend them in when I actually got it on there. It was like it got patchy, but then I could fill in the patches, but I really had to work at it. And we went through a lot of shades, a lot of shades. As far as the eyeliner stamp, y'all knew I was going to love it. So easy to use. You can get your wings by them right there beside each other. Very glided on, very smoothly, as you all seen. I really love these eyeliner stamps. I really do, you guys. They're so easy to use. Yeah, the banana setting powder, not going to use it. The blue eye base, we didn't do a look for that today, so we did not use it. Again, $25 a month. Ice Cream Beauty. And I really did love it this month, you guys. I love that we get so many makeup products in here. Randomly, you'll get a primer for your face, a moisturizer type primer, but that's it. The rest has been all makeup. I absolutely love it. We had $124 value for $25, you guys. It's a good, good value, you guys. All right, loves, that is all. My next video I'm going to probably be doing will be me talking about a little update on what's been going on here at the house and why I've been gone for so long. All right, loves, I'll see you guys in the next video.